everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Veronica and I'm so glad you are here. Today I am going to be sharing with you a really easy and affordable DIY farmhouse decor piece, and I'm going to show you how I style it on one of my newer pieces of furniture. So to begin, I just want to show you everything that I am using. I grabbed these wooden pieces at Hobby Lobby, so I grabbed some of these candlesticks as well as these little wooden dowel holders, and these are going to act as the feet. I'm going to be painting one of these using some chalk paint. Originally I planned on using this Waverly brand, however it ended up being really dried out, so I used some other chalk paint that I had on hand. I'm also going to be antiquing it slightly using this mineral colored chalk paint. You can grab these at Walmart and I really love the quality. To attach the legs, I'm going to be using some E6000. So I'm going to start off by giving each one of the legs a really good coat of E6000, and I'm going to give it a little bit of time to dry before I begin painting. Lately, guys, I am all about the DIYs and finding ways to get affordable new looks in my home, and these risers really were amazing. I love how they turned out, and they were so easy to make. This is a good day as any. So once the legs were dry, I went ahead and gave this first one a really good coat of white chalk paint, and I'm going to set that on the side so that it can dry, and I'm actually going to use some stain on the other one to get a really nice wood look. On my skin. So to apply the stain, I am using just one of those little foam sponge brushes. I grabbed a pack of these at the Dollar Tree, super affordable, and I'm using stain that I already had on hand, and to wipe it down, I'm just using a paper towel. Normally I would use a stain rag that you can grab at Home Depot, but we do not have any right now, so I'm just using everything that I have on hand versus spending more money to make a project happen. On my face. Is today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Once this little white one was dry, I noticed that there was a bunch of little hanging wood pieces on the edge. So I'm just taking a piece of spare sandpaper that we had in the garage just to clean it up a bit, and I'm going to touch up any spots with some more white paint. Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today
Something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day today.
And now that those are done, we are going to head upstairs and we are going to set up this cute accent table that I have at the very top of the stairwell. Before we can do that though, it needs to have a really good clean. I'm always looking for new cleaning products because for me, a brand new cleaning product makes me so much more excited to clean my house, and I need all the motivation I can get. So if you have any recommendations, please leave them down below for me. I would love to check out some new ideas. So before we decorate, I do want to go ahead and line the drawers in here so that I can use this as both a functional and decorative piece.
Make up your mind, now I'm here by your side.
I'm going to begin by giving them a really quick wipe down. I'm just using some Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine because I still have some left, and I am a big believer in finishing one bottle before opening a new one.
In the dark, make you forget about what's wrong, let it all out of me.
Lining these drawers with some shelf liner that I grabbed at the Dollar Tree. This roll was able to line about 6 of these little drawers, and there are 9 of them total, so I do need to grab another roll eventually, but unfortunately they were out the last time I ran by.
Try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back.
I've always been so intimidated to use shelf liner, but really guys, this was so easy to apply. The hardest part was actually cutting it to size, so I definitely recommend it. It transformed these drawers from pretty nasty to completely perfect, and I am so happy with the result.
What's wrong? Let it all out of me. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Baby, you'll make up your mind, now I'm here by your side. I'm here. Let it all out of me. Let it all out.
Now that the drawers have been returned, it is time to get to decorating. I'm going to start by adding a lamp, and I am going to put it on a timer so that each night it turns on automatically and I don't have to worry about it.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight
I absolutely love the look of stacked photos, especially in like larger photos as these are. So I'm just going to go ahead and arrange these so that both photos are kind of front and center as you walk up the stairwell.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
Now for the part I am so excited to show you guys, I'm going to use one of those farmhouse risers we just made, and I am going to decorate it using a little pot of greenery and a small porcelain house. And then I'm going to finish off the space by using some stacked books that I had made a couple of years ago, and I just love how this all came together.
Hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
And now that the space is nice and decorated, I'm going to go ahead and do just a little bit of organization using these drawers. I just think that it is such a good and functional piece. So I'm going to use each drawer for some items that I have had in the junk drawer that I'm kind of trying to eliminate. So in one drawer I have all of my electrical cords and timers. In this one I have all of my batteries. And then finally in the last drawer I am going to share, I'm going to use any type of accessories. For example, little those little circle things you put on the bottom of chairs to keep them from scuffing up your floors. I'm also going to include things like command strips and things like that. So I really love how functional this piece is.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me.
And that is the end of today's video. I hope you found it motivating or inspiring in some way. If you did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button for me down below. And if you're new, make sure to introduce yourself down in the comments. I love to get to know my subscribers. And I will see you all again in a few days in another video. Bye!
Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.